Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Grumpy Bear in a puppy onesie. So let's get started. To draw this cute Care Bear, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to draw a slight slant. Just very, very slight. Almost kind of just a straight line if you like. About this wide, and then from there I'm going to surround it by the bottom here with a big curve. So let's go right here and draw a big curve right underneath it. And let's do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag a point across, so say about right here, and let's draw the same thing. So just slightly curve downwards. And then once again, just go ahead and draw a big curve underneath it. There. So now that I have that shape in, I'm going to come to the sides right here, really close to the side, and I'm going to imagine drawing a circle in here and then coming out about right here. And then I'm going to add a little highlight right here in this corner and then shade everything else in. So let's do the same thing over here. So really close to this edge. So if you're drawing a circle, about right here, and then add a highlight and shade it all in. There. Now that I have these eyes in, round that off a little bit. I'm going to come to the center and we're going to draw this big oval for the nose and mouth area. So right in between the eyes, I'm just going to come right here and just pop this in right in the center. Come down right there. I'm going to draw this big curve and I'll bring it down. And say about right there, and then go ahead and connect at the bottom. There, so I created this little ovalish shape, and then right in the center, let's come right back up to the top right here, and I'm going to draw this little heart nose. And then let's give Grumpy his little frown, right? So Grumpy Bear here, we're going to come about right here, and I'm just going to draw a curve out. That's what makes him so cute, because he's always so grumpy. And then let's come back to the top right here of the eye, and about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and add this little slant to give him more expression. And then right here, a little bit higher up, draw a curve. So this one's slanted and this one's a curve. And then right next to this eye, I'm just going to very lightly draw a curve right here, just for some indication of the cheeks. Right here, just very lightly. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and surround his face. So we're going to come right to this eye right here, this corner, come out just a little bit, give yourself a point. Same thing right here, just a little bit. And from there, I'm going to basically draw a big curve that comes right underneath. So I'm going to find my center and say about right here. From there, let's go ahead and we're going to draw a curve that comes out for the cheek area. And then I'm going to bring it right to this point. So just curve it, turn your body as you need, or your hands over the paper, whatever is easiest to draw this big curve. And bring it down. So same thing over here. Curve out for the cheek area, and then we're just going to bring it right back in. There, so we have this big cheeks in, and then let's go up. Bring this curve up, not too high, just say maybe about right here. I'll just give myself a point so I know where I'm going. I'm just going to round it off and bring it in to about right there and then come down. There, so we have his face now. And then from there, let's go ahead, we're going to draw the puppy onesie, the head part. So let's see here, we're going to come let's come over here. Let's to the sides a little bit, and then I'm just going to go ahead and thicken this up. And same thing here, whatever is easiest. Just want to thicken this up and bring it down really low, really shallow in the bottom right here. So I'll give myself a point. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect down to there, and same thing on this side. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's bring this up again. And we're going to go a little bit higher. So let's say right here, just give myself a point so I know where I'm going, and then come down. There, so have his little hoodie in, and then come back to the center right here, and we're going to draw this little puppy nose. So we're using that point as my center. I'm just going to go up and around to create this little nose. Then from there, let's see here. The camera, this part's a little bit lower. There. Okay, so then now to put in these ears. So let's come about right here, and I'll pop out these little floppy puppy ears. Bring it all the way down, and just go ahead and tuck it right back in. And then on this side, the same thing. So about right here. But right here, we're going to go ahead and draw the same thing. Just bring this down and plop it in. There, so he's a puppy now, right? So Grumpy Bear is a puppy now. And then to draw the body. So let's come right about here, right in the center of the eye, about right here and here. We're going to go ahead and draw a slight curve coming down. Right there, and then let's bring it down a little bit more. All right there. So now that I'm pretty even, I'm going to go ahead, using this as my guide, I'm going to come right here and draw a big oval. So this is the foot. There, I got one big oval in there, and same thing over here. Make sure I am about a little bit lower. So I just want to draw this big oval in this space, and just make sure I'm about the same level to create your oval. There, so now that I have my two ovals in, I'm going to use that as my guide, and I'm going to come, well, let's see, you know what, it's probably easier this way. Let's come right here. We're going to draw a curve that goes up, and right about here I'm going to stop because I'm going to give myself a little center curve, and then I'm going to come out just like the other side. There. And then from there, we're going to go ahead, come to the top right here, and we're going to curve down to meet to that point you created. So same thing here, go up and connect. And then we can draw the arms, come right back here, and we're just going to draw a curve that tucks right in. Same thing over here. And tuck it right in. And then now for his little logo part, so in the tummy area, let's come about right here. And we're just going to draw a really big curve right under his head. Bring it all the way down. And then right here as well, draw another curve to finish it up, and then we can go ahead and draw a cloud right here. So just start right here with a curve right in the center. And we're just going to go curve and curve. So nice and centered. And then at the bottom right here, we're just going to add two bigger ones. Center and back. And then there's a heart right here. So I'll just give myself 2 points. Draw this heart and then some raindrops right next to the heart. And here as well. And of course there's a heart right here on the foot. Lots of hearts. That's why I love Care Bears. So I hope you do too. So this is the same series as the one I drew of a unicorn Care Bear. And this one is a puppy Care Bear with grumpy hair. And that is pretty much it. I really hope you love how Grumpy Bear here looks in his puppy onesie, and I've inspired you to draw this, and I made it fun and easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.